Good morning. Now we shall discuss a new question. So we know that a rational number, the decimal form of a rational number, either terminating or non-terminating repeating. So in case of a terminating decimal, how to represent? We know already. Still then again we shall discuss it. And if the decimal form of a rational number is non-terminating repeating, how to represent it on the number line? About this thing we shall discuss. So first, in case of terminating decimal, for example, a decimal number is 2.345. This is the terminating decimal. So how to represent it on the number line? By the process of successive magnifications. By using the process of successive magnification, how to represent it? Look at here. Draw a number line. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, like this. So 2.345 is in between 2 to 3, because 2 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number. In between these two whole number, 2.345 is there. So in this case, since the process is successive magnification, so better you take the help of a lens. If you keep a lens here, then this length will be increased. So it will be easy for representation. So now place a lens here to increase the size. Then this size will be increased, and 2 will be here, and 3 will be there. It is 2, it is 3. Now this length is increased due to presence of this lens. Now it will be divided into 10 equal parts, we know it. So this is 2. Middle point is 2.5, this is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9, this is 3. 10 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal parts. This is 2.345, this is 2.3, and this again it will be, its position is in between 2.3 and 2.4. Now place the lens here, now draw a number line, then the size will be increased, this will come to here, 2.3, and this will go to there. This is 2.4. Now again it will be divided into 10 equal parts. This is, middle point is 2.35, this is 2.31, 2.32, 2.33, 2.34, like this, 2.36, 2.37, 2.38, 2.39, then 2.4. Now, here 2.345, so again this point is in between this and this. Now this lies in between 2.34 and 2.35. Now keep a lens here. Then this size will be increased. This will come here, this point will go to there. This is 2.34, this is 2.35. Now it will be divided into 10 equal parts. The middle point is 2.345. This point is 2.341, 2.342, 2.343, 2.344, then 2.345, then 2.346, 2.347, 2.348, then 2.349, then 2.35. Now you see this point 2.345 here. This point represents 2.345. Name it P. Then write P represents 2.345. In this way, we can represent by the process of successive magnifications. Now come to another rational number, the decimal form of rational number, non-terminating repeating decimal. You see, I shall take an example. Suppose I shall take here 3.24 bar, means 3.24 like this. So first you draw a number line here. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, like this. This is the number line. Now you see 3.24 is in between 3 and 4. Now keep the length here. So size will be increased. It will looks like this. This is 3, this is 4. That is 3, it is 4. This length increased by the help of this length. Now it will be divided into 10 equal parts. The middle point is 3.5. This is 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. Then it is 4. It is 4. Again, you keep the length in between this and this. 3.2, because 3.2 for here. Here you put the length. Now its size will be increased. This will come here, 3.2, and this will go there. This is 3.3. Now divided into 10 equal parts. The middle point is 3.25. This is 3.21. 3.22, 3.23, 3.24, here 3.26, 3.27, 3.28, 3.29, then this 3.3. This is 3.24. 3.24 indicates 3.24, 24, 24, like this. Now this point. Why? Now you place this length in between this and this point and this point. Again, size will be increased. This is 3.24 and this is 3.25. Now divided into 10 equal parts. The middle point is 3.245. This is 3.241, 3.242, 3.243, 3.244, then this point, then 3.246, 3.247, 3.248, 3.249. Point is this 3.2424. Again you have to see this. Then you can know where is its position. Now keep the length here. 2.234 is here, and 24 coming here. Here 3.242, 3.243. Now you put the length here. Its size will increase. Now this come to this point 3.242. And this will go there, 3.243. Now divided into 10 equal parts. So the middle point is 3.2425. This is 3.2421, 3.2422, 3.2423, 3.2424, similarly 3.2426, 3.2427, 3.2428, then 3.2429. Then coming this. Now you see this point indicate to 3.2424, 3.2424, this point, 24 bar. You take here 2424 so many, because it cannot be finished. So better you take this point. this point you highlight. So therefore Q represents 3.24 bar. It will be proceed like this, but after this you can. So in this way you can represent a non-terminating repeating decimal on the number line. So here in this portion, the small exercise, there are 2 questions are there, and these 2 questions you work out in your homework copy. So your homework is in this way. Your homework is exercise 1.4, question number 1, question number 2. Like this, we'll work out. Okay.